Welcome to BankCard Pro CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to import user accounts into the CRM software. What we're going to do is we're going to log into the software by inputting your username and your password. You're going to agree to the terms of service and log in. What we're going to do is on the gray menu bar, we're going to go to the Users section and you're going to view all users. And in this system, this will allow you to add users manually by setting up a user account one at a time. This can be time consuming since we have so many different features and fields within the user account profile. So it could probably take you up to about 5 minutes to submit a new user account one at a time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to import multiple user accounts at one time. What we're going to do is go to the Setup Configuration page. You're going to scroll down to the third section and you're going to click on the User Import Tool feature. In this feature, you're going to see Import Users, and instructions for importing a user is you're going to open your Excel document containing your user list, select and copy all tables and rows of your Excel document, then paste in the box below and click on the Next button to proceed to the next step to map the fields. When you import your list of multiple user account profiles from any Excel document, the system will automatically set up the user number and username for each new user account imported and added to the system. You can provide each user with their username and they can simply go to the login page of the software, click on the Forgot Password link, enter their username or email, and they will receive an email with instructions on setting up their new password for their new user account in the software. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Excel document that you have all your user accounts, and we're going to use this as an example. And what you're going to do is you're going to highlight all the rows and columns, including the titles of each column, which is username, sponsor recruiter, user type, email, and so on. So we're going to click on and highlight all the rows and the columns. Then what we're going to do is right click and copy. We're going to minimize that, and in the field box what you're going to do is right click and paste. Then you're going to click on the Next button and it's going to let you know what file columns were in your Excel document, and you're going to be able to map them and match them with all the fields that are actually in the system. So what we have is if you click on one of the drop-down menus, you're going to see all the fields that are available in this system for you to be able to map, which includes the user number, the full name of the sales rep, or user or employee of your company, the business name, tax ID, address, office phone number, email address, direct residual percentage, indirect residual percentage, equipment sales percentage, notes, login name, password, account status, city, state, zip, user type, sponsor recruiter, title, office fax, website, and cell phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and map these fields so the system will know where to put all the data for each column. So we're going to go ahead and do username, then we're going to do sponsor recruiter, user type, email, phone, agent ID, which is the user number, address, city, state, zip, username, title, phone, fax number, Then we're going to do the cell phone number, website, password, direct residual percentage, indirect residual percentage, equipment, business name, federal tax ID number, and we're going to fix this one because username is actually the full name. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the view button, and it's going to give you a preview of full name and everything that matches, and it'll show you everything matches perfectly. Then what we're going to do is click on import, and we're going to let it do its import, and it says 10 records were imported. Click OK, go to user accounts, and you'll see that there's 10 more users in the system. And you click on incomplete users and you'll see them all right here, and basically all you have to do is click on each user and just confirm all the information is correct. And then when you go and submit it, you'll see that we have 12 incomplete users. Now you're going to see we have 11. So it changed the user to the actual all users under sales reps. And you just keep doing that for each user account just to verify and make sure they're all correct. And so on. We're going to log out of the software. This concludes this training session.